Let's proceed to our next part in this course. Let's create a condor. Okay, condor. If you're familiar with that bird, it is considered one of the largest bird predator in the world. Condor. Okay, so let's pick some balloons here. Okay, so let's create first the body. Okay, so inflate a balloon with a 2-inch allowance at the end. Okay, now all we need to do is we need to create a loop like this. That's it. Now create another loop like this and twist this part and lock it. Now twist this area and this area as well. So we created approximate 60 inches on each bubbles. So we have 4 bubbles here. Now let's connect these 4 bubbles on one another. Lock it like this. And we created this time the body of the condor. Okay, so now we need the head and the feet of our condor. Okay, so get another balloon, and this would serve the head and the tail of our condor. First, you need to create the tail. Put the tail here. Lock it. Now, make a loop. Let's say 4 inches loop here. Just like that. And of course, lock it. Lock it up. So we need to create large body here because condor is, like I said, one of the largest bird predator in the world. Okay, so now put some portion of the blue balloon inside like this. And twist this here so that it will lock the whole section of the balloon. Just like that. Don't forget to bend this area for the body. To contour this portion. Okay, now we need to create the neck of our bird. But before we go, of course, you need to put this neck downward. Just like that. Okay. Now, bend this. So we have the neck of our condor. Now, we need the head of our condor. For the head, you need to create two 1-inch bubbles like this. So create another one. And we have an instant head and the beak of our condor. Last thing to put here is you need to get this kind of size of a balloon, approximate 3 or 4 inches long, and put around on the neck. Okay, put around just like that. Put it around, make a knot. Now, after that, you need to push these 2 bubbles here and twist this portion to lock the head of our condor. Now, turn around this head. And we need to a little configuration here. That's it. And that is the head of our Condor. Okay. This is our basic Condor. Thank you so much.